Because God is trying to build you so greatly. He is trying to fit you for service so well that you are a raging inferno when he lifts that basket off you. That ain't no birthday candle from a toddler getting blown out. When he pulls that basket out of you, he can bring all of hell against you, and you ain't getting turned out. You ain't getting blown out. Why? Because you now a raging inferno like your Father above, and when the winds of adversity blow your way, I don't care how strong they are, you like a California wildfire, baby, and 70-mile-an-hour winds only scare people to death because it ain't putting the flames out, it's only spreading them further, and that is what God is fitting you for. Service, effective and productive as you are meant to be. So in this basket time, take heart. Determine that heart that you will stay. You ain't looking back. You ain't going back because my hand's to the plow and my future lies before me, not behind me. I will endure. I will stand fast. I will hold firm. Why? Because I will be fit for the service of my King. And that is what God is doing to each and every man or woman who will dare allow him to, who will settle in their heart that their best days lie before them, that they will dare take what is coming their way and trust their God when nothing looks like it should.